Stochastic trader sheds more light onto the complex stochastic trading. Stochastic trader sheds more light onto the complex stochastic trading. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, bonjour, bonsoir, mes amis, guten Morgen, guten Tag, guten Abend. For those of you who are new to us, we are the TSTW 24 traders, and our website is www.stochastic-MACD.com. Stochastic trader shed more light onto the complex stochastic trading. Let's get started, all right? So we are now looking at the British pound yen currency pair. I'm on the hourly chart, okay? And I'm using the stochastic 833, all right? Traders who are TST traders, we use the stochastic 833. This is my favorite setting for the stochastic indicator. I want to remind new traders that the ultimate role of the stochastic is to pinpoint bullish and bearish, okay, divergences. All right. If you want to learn to master the stochastic like a pro, go to our website. Okay. So here we are. We have a complex stochastic trading situation. The stochastic on the hourly chart is oversold, pointing to us, okay, a support level. What I'm going to do, I'm going to place a vertical line at the point where the stochastic, okay, was oversold, okay, on the hourly chart. Here it is. So if I place, you can see here, if I place another vertical line here, okay, you can see that the stochastic was oversold, yes or no? It went below 30, in the zone of 30 level. It's oversold, yes or no, on the hourly chart. This is the stochastic 833, okay? Now, if it's oversold, when the stochastic is oversold, it doesn't mean buy, signal. It means that the price is at a support level or generally at a key level. Just think of it, stochastic oversold, price is at a key level, normally at a support level. So now we'll switch our attention away from the stochastic to the price. We are trading the price. We are not trading the stochastic, okay? So which support level? In fact, that support level is a trend line. It's not, okay, horizontal support level. It's a trend line. You see the blue line on my chart? This blue line here is a trend line. I will show you that trend line is on the weekly chart, okay? But we can see now on the hourly chart. Let's go to the weekly chart, okay? Here it is. You see the weekly chart. We have first that we can see that, okay, the British pound yen was going down from 2012 up to 2015 in this rising channel, okay? Here it is, this rising channel, the first one here. If the price D below that channel, we project that channel in the direction of the price. So this is not exactly equal size as such, but you can see that the price came out of the first channel, went down, now it's continuing to go down, and we have another channel here, which is the projection of the first channel. This is not exactly of its equal size, because see that this section here is bigger than the first one. Just accept it like this. I have a reason why I put it like this, okay? So here it is, you see this line. So we have a channel here, this channel, and the price for the support here on the edge of the top of the channel. It dropped down for the support here, and it dropped down, okay, here, but okay, now it's going up, okay, it's going up. It's now on the edge of this trend line here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to call out this the trend line that we are watching, that the stochastic pointing to us, into pink, okay? Remember that trend line, okay? It's on a weekly chart. It's here, right here. But though I'm saying to you, the stochastic on the hourly chart is pointing to us a support level, it's pointing to us this pink trend line, okay? But if you look carefully here, you see the price drops down, the tail of this candle. We have another level here in the zone of 16005. 16005. This is the support level. So one can think of the pink straight line or the horizontal line as a support level at this point in time that the stochastic is pointing to us on the hourly chart. Look carefully. Here it is. You see here the price rally up on the weekly chart, display this high, and then pull back before breaking above it. This high here is the level of 16005. We are in the vicinity of this level 16005, a support level that the stochastic is pointing to us on the hourly chart. Let's go back now to the hourly chart. So stochastic oversold on the hourly chart is pointing to the support level 16005 and also the pink trend line. Okay, now if we go to the daily chart, my friend, we have a situation. All right, we have a situation. Here it is, my stochastic 833 is overbought. So what's going on, my friend? The stochastic 833 on the daily chart, if I move my vertical line a little bit, you can see that it reaches the overbought zone for the first time right here when I place my vertical line on the daily chart. So it crosses above, okay. In fact, I'm using 80 here. You can see the level of 80 here. But in fact, we can see it was overbought since this level 70, okay. But it reaches oversold zone here when I place my vertical line on the daily chart. Look carefully, okay, right here, yes, this one is pointing to us, okay, a resistance level. But you can see that the price already breaks above that resistance level. This one here. You see this one? It went up on the daily chart, changing direction before going up. This resistance here. In fact, I will draw a vertical, another line there. Wait, please. So because we want to shed more light on the complex stochastic, so this level here, let's color it into equals. Okay. Here it is. So this resistance here is the below it, retest, pull back on the daily chart going up. So as the stochastic reaches the level of 80 for the first time, it was pointing to us this resistance at 15842. Yes or no? All right. Pay attention. The stochastic is still in overbought zone. Okay, but the price breaks above the level of 14842, the first resistance level. So this resistance now, 14842, is now a support level because on the daily chart, the price found a support and continue to go up. So it's no more a problem for us because the stochastic point to this resistance level, 15842. Now the price breaks above it and find a support and continue to go up. But the stochastic is still overbought, yes or no? So as the price breaks above the first resistance level, the next question is where is the next resistance level? Okay, because this resistance is now kaput. We don't need it anymore. The stochastic was pointing to this resistance before 15842. Now the price breaks above it and find a support. So we don't need that anymore. I'll move it away. So the next question, where is the next resistance level? Because the stochastic is still overbought. So we want to highlight, so what I would say to traders, when the stochastic remains in overbought zone like this, highlight all the resistance level in that zone. Okay, so there is one here, there's another one here at 16234, there's another one near 16494. If the stochastic is in overbought zone, highlight all the resistance, okay, in that zone. Okay, yeah, there they are. You see there's one here, okay, resistance, another resistance here. But because the first resistance that the stochastic was pointing to us was kaput, is no more needed, it becomes a support level, we remove it, okay, we remove it. Now we again still overbought, in the overbought zone, hanging here, all right, hanging here. The next resistance is this level here. So bringing us to a complex stochastic oversold on the hourly chart right now, as you see here, pointing to us the level of 16005, all right, and also the pink trend line. Do not forget the pink trend line. But on the daily chart, we have the stochastic is overbought. Should one buy? Should one sell? Okay, one should not trade the stochastic. One should trade the price. What do we need to do? We forget the stochastic, we acknowledge the stochastic, we say to the stochastic, thank you very much for the information provided today, was excellent information, all right? So now we switch our attention now to the price. We say, okay, let's see whether the price will, okay, help us, okay? So we want to see what has happened before. Okay, I have too many lines on my chart, which traders get used to now. If you have been following us, okay, you will know that I like to have my line on my chart. So here we have the price was before the British pound, Japanese yen was in a blue declining channel. You see here, lower lows, lower high, market pattern, bearish. Now here it is, it's above the declining channel, indicating to us that the bearish momentum is diminishing. All right, not finished yet, diminishing. But the price is also, you can see, is above the level of 16005 and also above the peak line that the stochastic is pointing to us on the daily chart. So on the daily chart, this overbought. The current resistance level that we must watch is 16005 and the pink trend line, but the price is above it. All right, so stochastic is overbought, pointing to the resistance level, but if the price breaks above that resistance level and find a support, we can buy. So we will now, so though the stochastic is overbought here, pointing towards a resistance level on the hourly chart, if the price, which is the number one indicator, breaks above, which it did now, above it, and find a support, we will buy on the edge. All right, not anyhow. All right, we will buy on the edge. Okay, it makes sense. It makes sense. So you want to buy at a support level. You want to sell at a resistance level. But the bottom line, you do not want to violate the market patterns. So let's go back now to the hourly chart. On the daily chart, market pattern bearish, but the price breaks above the channel. Let's go now to the hourly chart. We do not want to violate the market pattern. So on the hourly chart, what is the current market pattern? Is a consolidation. So we can say that right now, okay, the stochastic was pointing to us a key level 16005, all right, and also the pink trend line, but the current market pattern on the hourly chart is a consolidation. Let me say something again. The market pattern and the market environment will determine, okay, the appropriate trading strategy. Now, I want to explain this to traders again. The market pattern and the market environment will determine the appropriate trading strategy. What do I mean by that? If you are using any trading system, any trading method, any trading tactic, you are using the area wave principle or any strategy, the market pattern and the market environment will determine what is the correct tool to use at this point in time. So you see like a screwdrivers, okay? So there are different sizes, okay, of screwdrivers, okay? So it depends on which screw you have, you use, okay, a specific size of a screwdriver, okay? Yes or no? The same thing we do in trading. The market pattern will determine the strategy that we must apply at this point in time. Market environment and market pattern. All right, let's move on. So on the hourly chart, we see that the price is consolidating here. What is it telling us? It's telling me that, George, if you want to buy here. Look for opportunity to buy here because the price is consolidating. People are selling at the top here and people are buying here. So those who are selling here are taking profit here, and those who are buying here are taking profit up here. The price is in a balanced market pattern. Don't just buy here, George, okay? This is about the market pattern, and the market environment will determine the appropriate trading strategy. Talking about market environment, we are talking about economy news and the market sentiment. What is playing on the mind of the professional traders? What are the economy news that are due right now, or are due today, or tomorrow, or this week? All right, we are talking about the British pound. The first thing that is coming to our mind, because I'm recording this video today, on the 26th of April 2016, the time in London is 9:26, in New York of 4:26. So what is playing on the mind of traders is that there is an election on the 23rd of June, whether, okay, the United Kingdom should remain in the Eurozone or not, or should pull out altogether. Talking about Brexit, all right? Market environment and also the economy news, all right? Forex factory for economy news. So if you're a new trader, it's too much for you. Take it one step at a time, all right? If you say, George, it's too much, okay? Take it one step at a time, okay? Don't rush, okay? Most important thing, market pattern on every time frame. Rising channel, declining channel, and the horizontal channel. Okay, those are the three market patterns, okay? All right, so now here we are, okay? Stochastic is oversold by the price, is in a consolidation. Best place to buy is at the lower part of the consolidation, near the level of 160, okay? Oh, in fact, yeah, 160.50. This time, 160.50. Because we were talking before 160.05, that's the key support level. But there is another level here on the hourly chart, 160.50. That's where traders are buying. Few up to the top, it reaches the zone of call it 161.35. Traders are selling. So if I want to buy and forget, I would prefer the price to go above, okay, the level of 161.35, the top of the consolidation, and the final support, and then from there we'll take it up. As it starts going up, we must watch this resistance here, 161.83, step by step. So we have the consolidation here on the, okay, let me do it properly, okay? Let me do it properly. Want to draw lines there, okay? Let me do it properly. Here we are, British pound, Japanese yen, okay? So I'm going to draw a line there, just there. Going to color, I'm running out of, so I color them into red now, okay? Red line, pink line, all right? Too many lines, okay? But we need them because I'm going to change time frame. And here we are, so I need them, okay? And I'm going to color the top of the consolidation also. Let's color the top of the consolidation into orange. So the lower part of our consolidation on the hourly chart is 160.50. And the top of the consolidation, okay, I was talking about 161.35. We leave it there, okay? So these are the lines that we are watching. So if you want to be truly bullish, you must go above the level of 161, okay, 35, and find a support. If I buy it as it is now, it's a gamble. I can do that, but in that case, I will use a very tiny stop loss, okay? Tiny stop loss, all right? So here we are. So now so we have it now, the market pattern on the hourly chart consolidation. Now I'm going to the 5-minute time frame, a very crowded time frame. I'm trying to see whether I can see the line. Yeah, here they are beautiful, they are here. The top of the consolidation is here, on my hourly chart is here, on my 5-minute time frame. Okay, here we are, 160.50, the red line is here. So as a day trader, I want to buy. You see, there was an opportunity here to buy on the lower part of the consolidation here. Stochastic was oversold. Give it a shot, you buy here, you leave it run. I may decide to, if I want to buy it like this, okay, I may say, oh, George, I want to buy now. Okay, control the risk. So we want to pay attention now to the median line of our consolidation on the hourly chart. So if you are buying now like this, remember, the British pound yen is a very volatile currency pair. Talking about the characteristic of the financial instrument that we are trading, this currency pair is not for children, it's not for new traders, it's not for gamblers, it's quite volatile, and it moves very fast. So we need a bigger stop loss for this, at least 50 pips, even for day trading, 50 pips for this trade. And it's quite volatile. So if you are a new trader watching this video, I will say to you, stay away from the British pound yen, not for children, okay? Carefully. So now it's heading up if I want to buy now. So it's now 161.27. The best place to higher stop loss below the median line. But it's a lot of pips, okay, to bring it all the way here, all right? It's within the 50 pips, which trader can do. But if you don't want to use 50 pips, we can place our stop loss somewhere here. We can use 30 pips, all right, and see what will happen. But, all right, it's a risky trade because the top of the consolidation is right here, okay? So if you want to buy, we will buy a bull, a 161.35, breaks a bull, retest, turn around, okay? or right here 1C050, paying attention to the market pattern on the hourly chart. All right, it makes sense. It is also powerful. Thank you for watching, and speak to you soon.